Hello, you gorgeous bunch of peoples. Today, I've got a box of Goth. And you might be like, what? Why have you got 3 boxes of Goth videos very close together? And I say, well, why not? Why not have 3 boxes of Goth videos very, very close together? I've decided I am going to do what makes me happy on my channel. And I hope it makes you lot happy, but I wanted to buy lots of boxes of Goth, so I did, and now I'm showing you them because I think they're fucking amazing. This is the last one. I had the Strange and Unusual box. These are all boxes that I purchased myself. Box of Goth, if you don't know, is a monthly subscription box. At times there are leftover boxes from the previous month or previous months that you can then go on to purchase as one-off purchases. And I went on to buy next month's one, the Forever Halloween box, and then I was looking at the previous boxes that I hadn't bought in the past, and I thought, oh, I really want the I Love Skulls box, and I was like, oh, I really want the Strange and Unusual box, and then there was another one, I can't remember what it is, but it's here, and I was like, I really want that too, so I bought them. I have a discount code. I don't earn anything from the discount code, it's just a kindness given from Box of Goth to me to give to you for some money off. But yeah, I've worked with them previously, but this is all paid for with my own money. I spend my money on things that I love, and Box of Goth makes me happy. So yeah, this is the last one of the 3, and this one has just popped open. I haven't actually looked inside, but it's just pinged here. But I cannot for the life of me, if you said to me right now, I will give you £1,000 if you can tell me what the theme of this box is, wouldn't be able to, because I can't remember. So let's find out. Ah, Gothic and Enchanted. And I said I really wanted the Gothic and Enchanted box, and I bought it. Oh, a little spider sequin. Little spider sequin. I've got a spider on my nail as well. Literally looks like it could be the same spider. Look. Doesn't it? Mental. He could be on my nail. I love that. So this is the Gothic and Enchanted box. You get a beautiful print there. And on the back it tells us what it is. Anything in the box that has an Instagram attached to it, I will link, because I know how exciting it is to be a small brand and then be featured by someone that you love. I have been in a box, not me personally, one of my cards has been in the Sad Goth box, and it was literally like, it just made my whole year. It was just such an amazing thing to see something that I'd made be in my favourite subscription box. It was just incredible. So I will link everybody that I can, because it's amazing. So the first thing I've got, ooh, open it. Ooh. Oh wow, look, it's like a pendulum. I think you like a Ouija board pendulum. I love that. So you can use a pendant, and it'll tell you answers. You've got yes, no, maybe, unknown, and then you've got days of the week, the alphabet, numbers, the star signs, the moon phases. I absolutely love that. So this says this is an altar cloth. I think this is the altar cloth. I assume that's what it is. Yeah, this is an altar cloth. So I am hoping to get a little corner shelf, because I've got my little altar over here kind of thing, and I'm hoping to have a little proper shelf that I can put stuff on. That would be amazing. And then ooh, it is a tea light holder. So pretty. Look, it's a skull with all the embellishment and details on. I love that. I did just open the I Love Skulls box, so I have 2 new skulls just there, and now I have a 3rd, because we did say in the other video, who doesn't like skulls? And the answer was weirdos. I love skulls. They make me happy. I have skull tattoos. I have skulls all around my house. My kids have little skull prints in their bedrooms. Obviously you're not a weirdo if you don't like skulls. It's just my personal preference. And that's fine if we don't all like the same things, because fuck me, life would be boring if we all did like the same things. Yeah, so let's have a look at the next thing. We've got Folly Fire. Folly Fire are a makeup brand, and they're cruelty free, which just makes me happy. I think this is an eyeshadow, Drop the Shade. My next door neighbour is reversing his ginormous van onto the driveway. If you can hear that, I apologise. Oh, it's like a purple. Get open, get open. Oh my god, my eldest child is gonna try and steal that. Oh my god. Purples are really hard to do. And that is a really fucking nice purple. That's lovely. And for the Karens that always tell me off about not having clean hands, they're clean, mate. Calm your tits. Calm them. That's... Get in there. Doesn't want to go in. Doesn't want to go in. Get back in. That's lovely. And then, what are you? What is this? Oh my god, it's a mirror. This is a black butterfly compact mirror. One of my kids is going to steal this as well. Look. How pretty is that? And it's just a little mirror. There's the camera. No. Look, we're just looking in forever. That's beautiful. I love that. My middle kid is going to... She's going to want to steal that. My stomach. I'm sorry. I'm so hungry. My belly is just like, feed me some more. It's doing the most ridiculous noises. Next, I've got another skull. A little one with red eyes. This is just a skull head with red gemstone eyes. Super cute. I like all the detail on the actual skull. Love that. And then everything. No, we've got another thing. Is this incense holder? Oh my god! Stomach and burps. Calm yourself. Moon and Stars incense plate. Oh, I absolutely love that. Oh my god. This is more incense from Box of Goth. Get out. I want to see what you're looking like in here. If you ever like, oh, I wonder what her house smells like. Incense is what my house smells like all the time. I love it. And you can put 4 on there. Oh, I fucking love that. I think that might be one of my favourite things I've ever had in a box. I absolutely love that. Incense is literally just like, I burn it all the time. The smell just makes me happy. This one, I have no idea what it smells like. This is from Box of Goth. It's a mixture. It's really, really lovely. And then I burn a lot of citronella. And then I've also got some coconut ones. I haven't used those yet, but they look good. And this is just my upstairs bedroom incense. I've also got like, I don't know, 10 times this amount downstairs. I have a problem, but it's only a problem if you don't like it. It's not a problem for me. Yeah, so everything else left in here is wrapped up, so I'll have to undo them to see. But I think that may be my favourite thing I've ever had in a box. I love that. And that's not just Box of Goth, that's in any box. I absolutely love that. Next, I've got, what are you? A mini blue hanging glass crystal. Super cute. Again, one of the kids is going to steal that. I know they are. I have to put stuff on a high shelf of anything that they... Because the girls, my little girls absolutely love that I am kind of embracing the witchy side that I've always been drawn to. My mum is not into anything that I'm into at all, other than cooking and food. She loves cooking and food. But like the witchy side and like skulls and tattoos and wearing black and such, my mum isn't, and she's not into any of that, and that's fine. But when I was little, it wasn't really encouraged. Like me wanting to, like when I was 10 and wanted to be a witch, it was just like, don't be silly. But my little girls are so interested in it, and they have their own crystals. And we went out at the weekend and they found wands, and we're going to decorate them and we're going to cleanse them with incense, and we make spell jars. And it just, I love that they love it, and I let them, if they want to be little witches, they can be little witches. It makes me happy. So yeah, anything like this, they just adore it. They love it. So yeah, little tangent there. Let's see what else we got. Get out of the stripy bag. What's this? A midi ring. That's so pretty, look. There's 2 little rings. Look at them. They're beautiful. Oh, they fit my little fingers. Look, they fit my little fingers. I love those. They are so gorgeous. See, that one's got like 3 little sunflowers on it. And then this one has got like a teardrop. So pretty. I love those. And then this is the last thing. I think this is going to be a bracelet. It is. Oh, and a crystal. We've got I've got an onyx chip bracelet, and then I've got a crystal as well, but I don't know. Okay, so, oh, this is a bloodstone. The meaning of the bloodstone is to dwell in the present moment. Offering guidance and warding off evil is especially good for grounding and protecting the user. Onyx, I never know how to say onyx, stones are worn to release any sort of negativity from a person. The stone is soothing and helps the wearer deliver themselves from negative emotions, thoughts, and ultimately situations. I love that. So we've got a bracelet. I've got a pendant, an onyx pendant that I wear around my neck for the same reasons. And then we've got a bloodstone. I don't have one of these, so that's very exciting. And I will put that. Oh, I will put that in with my other crystals as well. I love that. They are the cutest little rings, and I love the bracelet. Yeah. Again, I say it every video. I think one of my favourite ones. I think it's going to have to be my favourite ever box, purely because of this. I love that so much. Like, my next tattoos are going to be the moon and the sun on my knees, and yeah, anything with a moon on just makes me happy. Like, I love that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and let me know if there is any other boxes that you want me to unbox. I have bought another 4, what 4? Possibly 4 kind of alternative witchy spiritual boxes to do, and then obviously I've got Box of Goth as well as I buy that. But yeah, let me know what you think. If there's anything else you want me to do, I would love to know. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.